Good morning, students. Chapter 3 Theory of Equations. So, on that, first topic is formation of polynomial equations with given roots. So, first one, a quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation whose roots are alpha, beta. So, how using the roots, how we can write the quadratic equation. So, it is x squared. So quadratic equation means it's a polynomial of degree 2. So it is x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Next we are moving to the cubic polynomial equation whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma is. Okay, so we are going to write the polynomial equation of degree 3, so which is called cubic equation. So it has 3 roots. One is alpha, another one is beta, another one is gamma. So the equation how we can write cubic roots means cubic polynomial means whose degree is 3. So x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x squared plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. Okay, you see that if you have two roots, one is alpha, another one is beta, means you have to go for sum of the roots. Next you have to go for the product of the roots. So using this we have to write the quadratic equation. Now your roots are alpha, beta, gamma. 3 roots are there. So first you have to take each root separately. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma. That is sum of the roots. Next what you have to do, you have to take 2 roots at a time and you have to take the product. So it is alpha beta. So alpha beta. Another possibility alpha gamma plus alpha gamma. Next one beta gamma. So beta gamma. Okay. So it's a sum of the product of 2 roots taken at a time. Next you have to take the product of 3 roots. So therefore it is alpha, beta, gamma. In this way you have to take. So using these 3 we have to write the cubic polynomial. That is cubic polynomial equation. That is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x squared plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. You see the next one, a polynomial equation of degree 4 whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Yes. Okay. So see now we are going to write the polynomial equation of degree 4 which has how many roots? Alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Okay, it has 4 roots, means first you have to add all the roots. So alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Then what you have to do, you have to take 2 roots at a time and take the product. So what has to come? Alpha beta. Next alpha gamma. Next one alpha delta. Plus next beta gamma. So beta gamma plus beta delta plus the next one, what is that? Gamma delta. Okay, now we have added the product of the 2 roots taken at a time. Next what you have to do, you have to take 3 roots at a time, then you have to take the product and then add. So what are the roots? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Now you have to take 3 roots at a time. So what is it? Alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma plus alpha, gamma, delta. The next one, what is it? Beta, gamma, delta. So 3 roots, the product of 3 roots taken at a time, then you have to add. Then you have to take the product of all the 4 roots. So therefore alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Using the 4 results, we are going to write the polynomial equation of degree 4. One that is x power 4 minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta into x cube plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta into x squared minus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus beta gamma delta into x plus alpha beta gamma delta is equal to 0. So in this way you can write any polynomial equation if the roots are given to you. Okay, you see now, if alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, what is here? The equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So if we consider the cubic polynomial equation, that is ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0, means alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. If the polynomial equation of degree 4, if you consider, what is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx squared plus dx plus e is equal to 0. So the sum of the roots taken one at a time is minus b by a. Sum of the product of the two roots taken at a time is c by a. If you consider 3 roots at a time, and if you take the product, then the sum of all the product of the 3 roots taken at a time is equal to minus d by a, and if the product of the 4 roots is equal to e by a. Using the formula, we are going to do the problems. Okay, now we are moving to the exercise 3.1. What is it? Exercise 3.1. First problem. If the sides of a cubic box, so the box is a cubic box, are increased by 1, 2, 3 with units respectively to form a cuboid, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of the cuboid. So first I have taken, let x be the side of the cube. So cuboid side we have taken as x. Now the x side, the first side is increased by 1. So therefore the length of the cuboid is x plus 1 if you consider. The next side is increased by 2. So the breadth of the cuboid is x plus 2. And the height of the cuboid is increased by 3. So the height of the cuboid is x plus 3. Okay. So see that. Next, the volume of the cuboid. What it is? V plus 52. What is V? V is the volume of the cube plus 52. Okay. What is the volume of the cube? Side is x. X will be the side of the cube. So therefore the volume of the cube is x cube. So x cube plus 52. So how to find the volume of the cuboid? That is length into breadth into height. So that is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is nothing but the volume of the cuboid. What is the volume of the cuboid? That is V plus 52. What is V? V is the volume of the cube. So here I have written x cube. So x cube plus 52. If you multiply these two factor, you will get x into x is x squared. See, x into 2 is 2x plus x. 2x plus x is 3x plus 1 into 2 is 2 into x plus 3. If you multiply these two terms, x squared into x is x cube, x squared into 3 is 3x squared, 3x into x is 3x squared, 3x into 3 is 9x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to x cube plus 52. Both the sides x cube getting cancelled. So therefore 6x squared plus 9x plus 2x is 11x plus 6. Here this 52, when you bring it here, minus 52, that is minus 46 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, you have to factorize. So 6 into minus 46 is minus 276. If you take the product of the two terms, how it should be? Minus 276 and the addition is 11. So we'll take 23 and minus 12. Here the coefficient is 6. So if it is divided by 6, the answer is 6x plus 23. And if you cancel 6, here it is minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you equate to 0, 6x plus 23 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 23 by 6. It is negative. What is x? X is the side of the cube. It is the length. The length cannot be negative. So it is not possible. The next factor, x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. So the side of the cube is 2 units. Next, what is asked? Volume of the cuboid. So that is x cube plus 52. So in the place of x, if you substitute 2, so it is 2 cube. 2 cube is what? It is 8. 8 plus 52, that is 60 cubic units. That is the volume of the cuboid. We'll come to the problem number 2. Construct a cubic equation with roots 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the roots are given. If the roots are given, so you have to find the polynomial equation. That is a cubic polynomial equation. You see now here the roots are alpha, beta, gamma means the cubic polynomial equation, how to write? X cube minus sum of the roots into x squared plus the sum of the product of two roots taken at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. So alternatively you have to give plus and minus. So plus minus plus minus, it has to come. So you have to take the first root is alpha, second root is beta and the third root is gamma. Okay, S1, what I mean, S1, it's a sum, okay, sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So if you add all the three, it is 6. Next one, S2 means it is a sum of the product of two roots taken at a time. So alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, that is equal to, what is alpha into beta? 1 into 2, that is 2. What is alpha into gamma? 1 into 3, that is 3. Beta gamma, 2 into 3, 6, that is equal to 11. Next S3 is what? Alpha beta gamma. So that is 1 into 2 into 3, that is also 6. So the cubic equation, instead of writing the formula like this, you can write the formula like this. Okay, in this way also you can write. Otherwise, this one I have denoted as S1, this is S2 and this is S3. Okay, so therefore the formula is x cube minus S1 into x squared plus S2 into x minus S3 is equal to 0. So x cube minus, what is S1? 6. 6x squared plus S2 is 11. 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. In the same way, come to the second subdivision. First root is alpha, beta, gamma. Then you have to take the sum of the roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma. So if you add, it is 0. Then what you have to do? Sum of the product of two roots taken at a time. So that is minus 3. And alpha, beta, gamma, if you multiply, that is minus 2. So you have to substitute in the formula. What is the formula? Cubic polynomial. So you have to start with x cube minus S1 s squared plus S2 x minus S3 is equal to 0. S1 is what? It is alpha plus beta plus gamma. And what is S2? S2 is nothing but alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Two roots you have to take at a time, take the product and you have to add. Okay, the next one, S3 is nothing but the product of the three roots, alpha, beta, gamma. If you substitute, you will get the answer. So coming to the third subdivision, the same way you have to proceed. Alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 1 by 2 and gamma is equal to 1. So first what you have to do, you have to take the sum of the roots. Okay, so it is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. If you take LCM, 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 2. Next, you have to take the sum of the product of two roots taken at a time. So alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. So that is alpha into beta is 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. Alpha gamma is 2 into 1, 2. And beta gamma is 1 by 2 into 1, that is 1 by 2. So the answer is 7 by 2 if you add. Next, alpha, beta, gamma. If you multiply, your answer is 1. So the cubic polynomial, how you can write? X cube minus S1 S squared plus S2x minus S3 is equal to 0. So here you have to substitute S1 as 7 by 2 x squared plus S2 as 7 by 2 x minus 1 is equal to 0. If you take LCM, you will get this answer. Third problem, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic equation. So in the second problem, previous problem, only roots are given, we have formed the equation. Here the equation is given. Okay, so it's a cubic polynomial equation. So whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma. And form a cubic equation whose roots are 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. So they have given one equation whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma, and they asked us to form a cubic equation. The roots are 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. Okay, so first consider the equation given. So x cube plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the cubic equation format, how it will be? So how the cubic equation will be? It is in the form of ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0. So a is the coefficient of x cube, b is the coefficient of x squared, c is the coefficient of x, and d is the constant. So from this you can take a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3, and d is equal to 4. Here what is given? This cubic polynomial equation having the roots alpha, beta, gamma. So if you take alpha plus beta plus gamma, what is the formula? If the equation is given, the sum of the roots formula is minus b by a. So therefore minus b by a. So here your b is what? 2. Minus 2 divided by 1, that is minus 2. Next, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. So that is c by a. So here the next formula I have given. The equation is given, how to find the sum of the roots. Okay, taken one at a time, taken two at a time, and taken the product of all the three roots. That is c by a. So c is what? It is the coefficient of x. So 3 by 1, that is 3. Then alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So minus d by a. So what is d? D is a constant. So minus 4 by 1, that is equal to minus 4. So we have found the alpha. Using alpha beta gamma, we have the result. Now our roots are what? 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. Now you are having the roots. You have to form the equation. So using the roots, first you have to add all the roots taken one at a time. That is 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma. So from these three, what is common? 2 is common. If you take it out, it is alpha plus beta plus gamma. Already we have found alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Next, what you have to do? You have to take the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. So what has to be? 2 alpha into 2 beta. Next one, 2 alpha into 2 gamma. So here I have written. The next one is what? 2 beta into 2 gamma. If you write it in the order, you will not miss anything. So first take the first one, 1 into 2, that is 2 alpha into 2 beta. Next 1 into 3, that is 2 alpha into 2 gamma. Next 2 and 3, 2 beta into 2 gamma. So 2 alpha into 2 beta, what is it? 4 alpha beta. Next 2 alpha into 2 gamma is 4 alpha gamma plus 4 beta gamma. From all the three results, 4 is common. If we take it out, it is alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Already we have found the result, that is 3 here. So 4 3s are 12. Next one, what you have to do? You have to take 3 roots taken at a time. So therefore you will have 2 alpha into 2 beta into 2 gamma. Okay, so if you multiply, it is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 into alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma is what? It is minus 4. So 8 into minus 4 is minus 32. So we have found S1, S2, S3. How to form the cubic polynomial? It is x cube. Cubic polynomial x cube minus S1 into x squared plus S2 x minus S3 is equal to 0. So it is x cube minus, what is S1? S1 is minus 4. You see that S1 is minus 4. So minus of minus 4x squared. And next one S2. What is S2? S2 is 12. So 12 into x minus S3. What is S3? S3 itself minus 32. So minus of minus 32. So it is plus 32. In the second subdivision, the roots are given as 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. So first you have to add. Okay, so you have to take LCM, alpha, beta, gamma. Here you are having alpha alone. So it has to be, in the numerator has to be multiplied by beta, gamma. Here beta is there. If you take LCM, you have to multiply with alpha, gamma. Plus here you are having alpha. So if you take LCM, the numerator has to be multiplied by alpha, beta. So what is in the numerator? Alpha, beta plus alpha, gamma plus beta, gamma. So this result we have already found. What it is? It is 3. 3 divided by, what is alpha, beta, gamma? Alpha, beta, gamma is minus 4. So it is 3 by minus 4. Next S2. S2 means what? You have to take the roots 2 at a time. What are the roots you are having? The roots are 1 by alpha, 1 by beta and 1 by gamma. How to take 2 at a time? First you take first and 2. So if you multiply 1 into 1, 1 by alpha, beta. So 1 by alpha, beta. Then what you have to do? 1 into 3. If you multiply, it is 1 by alpha, gamma. You have to add. Plus the next one is what? It is 1 by beta, gamma. So you will get 1 by alpha, beta plus 1 by beta, gamma plus 1 by alpha, beta, alpha, gamma. So if you take LCM, the LCM is alpha, beta, gamma. Here you are having alpha, beta. So if you take LCM, gamma alone has to be multiplied in the numerator. So it is gamma. Here beta, gamma is there. So therefore the LCM is alpha, beta, gamma. So the numerator is multiplied with alpha. Here you will have beta. You see the numerator, it is alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is alpha plus beta plus gamma? We have found it is minus 2. So the numerator is minus 2 and the denominator is alpha, beta, gamma, that is minus 4. So it is 1 by 2. Next you have to find S3. S3 means you have to take the product of all the 3 roots, that is 1 by alpha into 1 by beta into 1 by gamma. What is it? If you multiply, the numerator is 1, the denominator is alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma is what? It is minus 4. So we have found S3. What is the formula to write the equation? It is x cube minus S1 x squared plus S2 x minus S3 is equal to 0. So the values has to be substituted. And if you take LCM, LCM is 4. So you will get this equation. And coming to the third subdivision, what are the roots? The roots are minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma. What are the roots? Minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma. What do you have to do? First you have to add all the roots taken one at a time. That is minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma. If from all the roots, if you take minus out, it is alpha plus beta plus gamma. Already we have found alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is it? It is minus 2. So minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. Next what you have to do? You have to add the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. So first and 2. So minus alpha into minus beta is minus into minus plus. So first one is alpha, beta. Next minus alpha into minus gamma, if you multiply, it is plus alpha, gamma. Next what you have to do? You have to multiply 2 and 3. That is plus beta, gamma. Okay. So you will get alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. So already we have found this result. So you have to write the result directly. What is it? Already we have found it is equal to 3. So here you have to substitute 3. The next one, what you have to do? You have to take the product of the 3 roots. So minus alpha minus beta into minus gamma. So 3 minus are there. If you take the product, it is minus of alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma is minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4. You have to substitute in this equation. So you will get this answer. So first one given equation is given. From that you have to find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Then what is asked, you have to find it. So coming to the problem number 4. So what is it? Solve the equation if the product of the 2 roots is 1. So you have to solve it. Solve means you have to find the value of x. Okay. And if the product of the 2 roots is 1. Okay. So let the roots be alpha, 1 by alpha, gamma. What's the need to take 1 by alpha? You see that the product of the roots is 1. It is given. Okay. So the product of the 2 roots is 1. So I have taken alpha, beta and gamma. If you consider the product of the 2 roots is 1. So I'll go for alpha, beta is equal to 1. If it's so, what is beta? Beta is equal to 1 by alpha. Okay, so therefore now the 3 roots are, one is alpha, another one is 1 by alpha and the next one is gamma. So because it's a cubic equation, so it has 3 roots. So one is alpha and given what is the result? The product of the 2 roots is 1. So the next root is 1 by alpha. The third root is gamma. What you have to do? You have to add all the roots taken one at a time. So alpha plus 1 by alpha plus gamma. Okay. So what is the formula? It is minus b by a. So the formula is minus b by a. So from this equation, the coefficient of x cube is a. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 16. C is equal to 23 and d is equal to minus 6. So minus b by a means minus of minus 16 by 3, that is equal to 16 by 3. So I didn't find S2. So I didn't take 2 roots at a time. So I didn't take it. So I'll go for the S3, that is the product of the 3 roots, alpha into 1 by alpha into gamma. So this alpha and this alpha getting cancelled. So gamma you will get. And if you take the product of the 3 roots, formula is minus d by a. So it is minus, what is d? The constant. So the constant is minus 6. So minus of minus 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So here in this left side, alpha and 1 by alpha getting cancelled. So therefore you will get gamma is equal to 2. So you consider this result, alpha plus 1 by alpha plus gamma is equal to, what's the answer? 16 by 3. On that you substitute gamma as 2 and you have to take LCM here. So the LCM is alpha. So alpha squared plus 1 by alpha is plus 2 is equal to 16 by 3. Okay, if you take LCM, so alpha squared plus 1 plus 2 alpha divided by alpha is equal to 16 by 3. So if you cross multiply here, alpha squared plus 1 by 2 alpha into 16 alpha by 3. So if you multiply with 3 alpha squared plus 3 plus 6 alpha, bring the 16 alpha to next side, minus 16 alpha is equal to 0. So you are getting 3 alpha squared, 6 alpha minus 16 alpha is minus 10 alpha plus 3 is equal to 0. So the product is 9. The product of the 2 terms is 9 and the addition is minus 10. So you will have minus 1 minus 9. Here the coefficient is 3. If you divide it by 3, you will get 3 alpha minus 1 and the next one is alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. So alpha is equal to 1 by 3 and alpha is equal to 3. So if you equate 3 alpha minus 1 is equal to 0 means alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Alpha minus 3 is equal to 0 means alpha is equal to 3. So solve the equation means you have to find the roots. So the roots are, we have taken, one is alpha, another one is 1 by alpha, another one is gamma. So alpha is 3 and 1 by alpha is 1 by 3. Already we have found gamma as 2. So we have solved the equation. And coming to the problem number 5. Find the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation. Okay, so the equation is given. Okay, so you see the degree, it is 4. So it is a polynomial equation of degree 4. How many roots it has? 4 roots. So we have named as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Okay, so first you are going for sum of the roots taken one at a time. So what is the formula? Minus b by a. What is a? It's a coefficient of x power 4. This is a, and this coefficient of x cube is b, and x squared is 6. That is the coefficient of x squared is that is c, and the x coefficient is d. So on the constant is minus 3, that is e. So here you will have from the equation your a is equal to 2 and your b is equal to minus 8 and your c is equal to 6. And here there is no x coefficient. So therefore d is equal to 0 and e is equal to minus 3. Okay, from the equation we will get this result. So it's a polynomial equation of degree 4. So therefore the roots are alpha, beta, gamma and delta. So first you have to take the sum of the roots taken one at a time. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to, the formula is what? Minus b by a. So minus of b is minus 8. Minus 8 by, what is your a? Is 2. So that is 4. Next, the sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. So you will get 6 roots, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. The answer is C by A. Your C is 6, 6 by A is 2. So 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Next what you have to do, you have to take 3 roots at a time and you have to take the product. So you will get alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus beta gamma delta plus alpha gamma delta, that is equal to minus d by a. Okay, so your d is 0. So minus 0 by 2 is equal to 0. And next you have to take the product of all the 4 roots, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, that is equal to e by a. Your e is minus 3 by 2. So we have found what are the results we can find. We can find from the equation we have found it. Next, what is asked? Sum of the squares of the roots. What are the roots? Alpha, beta, gamma. Here what is needed? Squares of the roots. So square it. Alpha squared, beta squared, gamma squared and delta squared. Here what is asked? Sum of the. So you have to square the roots, then you have to add the sum. So it is alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared plus delta squared is asked. So if it is, so you can use the formula alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole squared minus 2 into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. So therefore here if you substitute, it is 4 squared minus 2 into, this answer is 3. So therefore 16 minus 6, that is equal to 10 will be the answer. Thank you students.